You've heard the rumors, a hidden internet, a place shrouded in secrecy and intrigue where not everything is as it seems. This digital underworld is known as the dark web, a mysterious corner of the internet that sparks curiosity and concern in equal measure. But what is it, really? Let's break it down and separate fact from fiction. First, there's the surface web. This is everything you find on Google, public, open, and familiar. It's the part of the internet most people use every day, from news sites to social media. Beneath that is the deep web. Think private databases, your email inbox, medical records, and anything behind a login or paywall. It's much larger than the surface web. The deep web isn't sinister, it's just unindexed and private, protecting sensitive information from public view. Now, the dark web is a small, intentionally hidden part of the deep web. It's not accessible through regular browsers or search engines. You need special software like the Tor browser to access it. This software bounces your connection through multiple servers, making your activity hard to trace. Its main feature? Anonymity, both for visitors and site owners. This makes it a haven for those seeking privacy. This privacy can be used for good or bad. It enables free speech in oppressive regimes, but also allows illegal activity to flourish, from black markets to hacking forums. So remember, surface web is public, deep web is private, and the dark web is both anonymous and hidden from the average user. Exploring the dark web requires caution, curiosity, and a clear understanding of the risks and rewards. Understanding these layers is your first step to navigating the internet safely and responsibly. The dark web isn't just crime and mystery, it's a tool, and how you use it matters. It can empower, protect, or endanger depending on your choices. Ready to learn how to navigate it safely? Let's dive deeper and uncover what lies beneath the surface. To access the dark web, you need the Tor browser, not Chrome or Safari. Tor is a special browser designed to protect your privacy and keep your online activity anonymous. It's the essential first step for anyone interested in exploring the hidden corners of the internet safely. Download it only from the official site, torproject.org. This is crucial, as downloading from unofficial sources can put your device at risk. Avoid lookalike sites to prevent malware or spyware. On the official site, select your operating system, Windows, Mac, or Linux. Then follow the simple installation steps. The process is straightforward, even if you're not tech-savvy. Just follow the prompts and you'll be set up in minutes. Tor is self-contained and won't interfere with your other browsers. Once installed, launch Tor from your desktop or applications folder. The first time you open it, just click Connect. Tor will automatically configure itself for most users. It may take a moment. Tor routes your traffic through multiple servers around the world to keep you anonymous and secure. This process hides your identity and location, making it much harder for anyone to track your online activity. Your digital footprint is minimized, and your browsing history is kept private. Tor is designed for anyone who values privacy, not just tech experts. It's free, open source, and accessible to all. With Tor running, you're ready to explore the dark web securely and anonymously, opening up a new world of information. Let's see what you can actually find there, and how to navigate safely in this hidden digital landscape. At first glance, Tor looks just like Firefox, with a familiar interface and browsing experience. But beneath the surface, it's designed specifically for privacy and anonymity, routing your traffic through multiple encrypted layers. The biggest difference? Tor lets you access .onion sites. These are special hidden addresses that exist only on the dark web, unreachable by regular browsers. Onion sites aren't indexed by Google or other search engines, so you can't just search for them. You need to know the exact address to visit. That's why you should never click random onion links from forums or social media. Many are scams, phishing attempts, or even contain illegal content. Instead, always start with trusted, well-known sites. This helps you avoid dangerous corners of the dark web. Here are 3 safe options to begin with. DuckDuckGo's .onion search engine lets you search the web anonymously within Tor, without tracking your activity or storing your data. The New York Times .onion site provides uncensored journalism, making it accessible for people in countries with restricted internet access. Dread is a Reddit-like forum for dark web discussions. If you choose to browse, do so carefully and never share personal information or details about your identity. Always be deliberate and cautious with every click, and take your time to verify sources. The dark web rewards those who explore with care, patience, and a well-informed mindset. As you learn the ropes, stick to reputable sites and keep a list of safe resources handy for reference. Now let's talk about the essential steps you need to take to stay safe while exploring. Onion sites. Safety is everything on the dark web. Always use a VPN with Tor. This hides your Tor use from your ISP. Keep your operating system, antivirus and Tor browser updated. Use Tor's security settings. Switch to safer or safest for more protection. Disable JavaScript when possible. It's a common attack vector. Use HTTPS even on .onion sites for extra encryption. Each layer of security makes you safer. Think of it as digital armor. Never go in unprotected. There are strict don'ts on the dark web. Never use real names, emails, or passwords. Create a new anonymous identity. Don't download files from untrusted sources. Malware is everywhere. Avoid clicking random links or ads. Many are traps. Don't wander aimlessly. Stick to your trusted list. And never engage in illegal activity. Law enforcement is watching. Even one mistake can reveal your identity. The dark web is not the place for carelessness. Stay alert, stay anonymous. The dark web isn't just crime and danger, it's technology. Tor was built for privacy and free speech. Journalists and whistleblowers use it to share information safely. Major news outlets run onion sites to reach censored audiences. Activists and citizens use Tor to escape surveillance and research sensitive topics. The dark web is a lifeline for those needing privacy. It's a tool. Its value depends on how you use it. Learn, explore, and protect your freedom. Use the dark web ethically and responsibly. In the shadows, privacy and possibility coexist. Choose wisely.